We, at NG Engineering Solutions, are proud to introduce our product, valves. We can guarantee that we never compromised our quality standards and it is one of the best in the market at present. Let's see our product range: DRV flanged, PICV, flange type, butterfly valves, DRV, gate valves, Herz valve package, PICV valves and other types of valves. Let's see the certifications of products: WRAS certified, TUV, BSRIA and DVGW certified. Highlights of the product: it's 100% European made and 5 years replacement warranty available. Stock available. For more info, kindly contact 88703556.